run some technologies by you, and you just give me a yes or no for the next 20 years. Living twice as long.
I think that's got a better than 20% chance, but I'm worried that we're going to solve the physical problem in extending the life of our bodies without extending the life of our mind.
Do you think in 20 years we have brain implants, specifically brain implants that let you read your brain and program new stuff into your brain without having to talk to people and read books and so on?
Yeah, I think it'll be more limited than people imagine in a variety of ways. It will be, at first, a prosthetic for people who have specific problems. It will help blind people to see again and that sort of thing. I think synthetic biology happens not to be something that X is working on right now, but I predict that 20, 30 years from now, people are programming cells and life more generally in a way that looks a lot more like engineering than it does like science, chemistry, or biology.
Will we cure cancer?
No, but we will have taken, so over the last 30 or 40 years, cancer has been taken down several notches. And I think what we'll see over time is that more and more cancers will move from the death sentence category to the chronic condition category.
Will cars fly?
Yeah.
That's a clear yes.
Yeah.
It's a clear yes I've heard so far. What other great things will happen in 20 years that will surprise us?
So here's one of the ones that isn't a specific technology, but it's just a different way of thinking about things that excites me a lot. That you could think of generally as robotics, but I would think of as intelligent technology. Historically, people have thought about making things strong or safe or useful in very mechanical ways. You make a car safe by making it strong enough and crumply in the right way that even if it slams into a brick wall, the people inside will be safe. Looking at the car, for example, it's starting to make sense to people to think about, wait, instead of having it survive the smash into the brick wall, what if we made it smart enough that it just never hit the brick wall? And I predict that a huge number of things in our world will go through this transformation where we will stop thinking in industrial terms about how to make them cheap, how to make them safe, how to make them efficient, and we'll start thinking about how embedding intelligence into the thing and having them be able to sense, think, compute, and actuate, robots in the very general sense of the word robots, will actually change whatever that thing is, whether it's a car or an airplane or a building or a wind turbine. Or
you just articulated beautifully the vision of artificial intelligence, of making matter smart.